Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin weekly analysis and daily analysis for today, 30 of September of 2024. Today is Monday. Uh, the last week since Bitcoin create this huge weekly candle, I was expecting a continuation, and it happens. Bitcoin just continue like as we expected. I was expecting some retracement during the first 2 days of the week, and it happened, but not too much. I was expecting to at least to not at least, but a retrace to this point, and didn't happen. Bitcoin retraced just a little bit and then go up the rest of the week. And we have a very important close because this thing, this retracement, respect completely this fair value gap that was inverted in the week before. So that is super important. The other thing is that this fair value gap that was inverted too was respected because Bitcoin entered here and bounced. That's super important reaction, and that create the momentum to continue going up and close above the high. So this was a super bullish weekly close. The one thing that I don't like too much is that we live a week that is bigger than than the last week. So this is a kind of a warning sign. But the most important thing is that Bitcoin in the weekly time frame close over this high. So this is a super important week. So what can we expect for this week? I'm expecting to continue going up and continue going up at least to this place or even this place, but for sure to here because we need to, I think we need to retrace a little bit, but not immediately, maybe during this week, but I think more likely around maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, probably, because I'm expecting a continuation candle, but touching this point, I'm preparing for creating another higher low because we have this to the upside, to the downside, to the upside. I'm expecting the next 2 weeks to continue to starting to go down. I mean, the first week of October and the second week of October can be weeks for a little retracement, maybe to this order block, and that will be super bullish or even to here. But I don't expect Bitcoin retrace too much. Maybe going up this week, touching this point, retrace a little bit the next week, maybe touch this fair value gap that we are living now, and we will draw it. Let me use the magnet so we can draw it perfectly. This fair value gap is created in the weekly time frame. I will leave this to here, and since we create this, I think this week basically we can go up, touch this point, leave a week to the downside, close around here. The first week, the first full week of October, retrace a little bit, and the second week of October, full second week of October, touch this, and then the rest of October going up and take the all-time highs during the last week of October or the first weeks of November. That is what I'm looking for now. I'm expecting continue to the upside, but retrace at the end of the week, retrace to maybe to this place from touching here or having touching here and retrace a little bit and then go on. This is the weekly analysis guy, basically bullish, but losing some strength because here we have a 7.77 candle, Here we have a 7.54. Here we have a 316, and here we are starting to retrace. Starting to retrace at the beginning of the week is super bullish because it basically leaving this candle, and then the rest of the maybe end of the Monday, Tuesday, starting to going up. The thing is how we will close this week. So that is what we need to check, but I'm basically bullish, waiting for Bitcoin to touch one of these two places before starting a little retracement to the downside. Just basically in the context of a full market structure bullish, okay? And then moving to the daily. Well, the daily candle just closed a little over half an hour ago, and we were talking that Bitcoin is losing some strength because basically it cannot close over the high. It cannot close over the high. This was a full inside candle between these two places, between these two highs. So Bitcoin is basically losing strength, and probably it will retrace a little bit, maybe to this place. This is an order block that is around 64 $250, or what I think is more likely. I don't know if it will do this week or the next week, but I am waiting for Bitcoin to touch this zone because there's a lot of liquidity here. All these lows are pretty equal. This is a magnet for the market makers. We have this huge fair value gap that we just create in the weekly time frame, and we have these other fair value gaps that are in the daily time frame. So I think this is a zone that Bitcoin will visit during the last day of September or the beginning of October. This is basically the beginning, the first week or the second week of October, because there's such an obvious zone to visit, and basically Bitcoin is losing so much strength, so I'm expecting some kind of to the downside, and then going up. I don't know if it will touch this zone this week. Maybe it will arrive just to this place, continue going up, touching this zone that we just talked about, and then retrace to this place. We will see, but basically for now, I'm just in Bitcoin. The daily time frame is in a retracement mode, and this zone is super important to see what's happening, how it reacts, and if it continue going up, and it will create the structure that we talk about. Okay, so be very careful with the Bitcoin price. It's bullish, but it's in a danger zone for a little retracement. So Bitcoin will prepare for the next month, next 2 months or 3 months. October, November, and December are very bullish month. Is just overlapped with the election in United States. The Federal Reserve is lowering the interest rates, or there's a lot of positive things that are coming for this market, and I think the in the near future, the midterm is very, very bullish. And the graphics are saying to the same. Okay, this is the analysis guy. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.